Hi everyone, welcome back to Mixietronics. I'm Mixie and today I'm going to show you how to make a holographic cellophane foil kind of little flower rosette. And this is what they look like. So this is the large one and this is going to be the smaller one. So I'm using, as you guys can see up here, different types of foil. So this one is the plain holographic one, this is the transparent pink one, and this is the metallic foil one. It's two-sided. And the reason I do that is that when you combine them, here, let me show you what this one's a little bit bigger, you get the colors from the background of the foil with the transparent one, so it looks really pretty, if you guys can see that. If you just put them plain, I mean, it'll still look really cute, but as you guys can see, you don't get like the light reflecting as much versus when you put something in the background and then you can see all the colors shining through. So let me show you the other items. These are just foil rolls that you can get from like the gift wrap section at Michael's. That's where I got these. Okay, and then for the hearts, I just use glitter cardstock that I got at Michael's. You can use any kind that you like. I used the heart punch, and then I used the first setting to cut that heart out. And then for the big heart, I used this one. And I'll link to everything in the description if I can find it for you. And for the cute little stickers that I put in the middle, I'm using one of my favorite brands from Japan. It's called Mindwave. And isn't the packaging so cute? Like, even it's like all the stickers are holographic. And then these are all the different designs. I'm only doing a couple with this, because I want to show you how to make them. So yeah, these are really cute. Okay, so I already made two, so I'm just going to show you how to make the other two. And this one has the purple background and this one has the holographic background. So basically I like to start with 4 layers each. Each one of these has 4 of the transparent layers and then just one in the back. But just to make it easier, I pre-cut a bunch, that way you know, they can all be the same size. Like if you're gonna make like 10 of them, you know, you can just stack all the layers together. But also, since the purple ones are smaller and then the other one's bigger, you know, you can just you know, make multiple stacks or whatever. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'll show you how that looks in one sec. So I have 4 layers here, and then I'm gonna put the purple foil in the back, and you can see, like, already you can see like the since you have a solid color in the back, you can really see all the really pretty colors that it has. All right, and let me just I'll put this one in the middle just to kind of estimate the measurement that I want to use. Let me go ahead and cut that out. I like to cut it slightly bigger. Alright, because we're still going to do a bit more trimming after. Okay, let me just set that down real quick so I can clean this up, get this out the way. Once you have your layers cut, basically you're just gonna cut little tiny slits like this. You know, it doesn't have to be perfect at all. You'll see in a second. It doesn't really matter if it's straight or not. I like to make them slightly different lengths just so you get a little bit more variation. Okay. Oops. There we go. And don't worry, you can trim it more after. Okay, so once you have this, what you're going to do, you actually want to rotate them at different angles so that they look layered. So you see, I'll do one by one so you can see. You don't want them to be in the same place. Okay, so you want to just move them so that they overlap in different areas. And get a nice layered effect. Okay, make sure you don't have one folded. Okay, just like that. There we go. Okay, and once you have the different layers, you just take your stapler I just staple it twice, and now I'm gonna, don't like cut them again because you don't want, you know, all the layers again, but what I like to do is just go back, and wherever I think it will look a little bit better, I trim different areas to create more definition. And if you want, you can go back and trim it, and then you're just going to do this. You're going to crumble it up. And the primary reason is that since this is holographic and iridescent, it actually creates more light reflection when it's crumpled up. So you can literally just crumple up as much as you want. Just, that's the good reason that we staple it together. And you end up with this. So you can see now, you can really see more of the color, right? It looks really pretty. And these are how they look. And for this one, you can see it's a holographic background, and this one's the purple foil. And I also added 2 extra layers just to show you guys how it looks if you want it a little bit more fluffy. And 6th layer looks really good too. I especially like that one for the bigger ones, and then a little bit thinner for the smaller ones, but they both look really cute. You guys can see how pretty it looks like this. Okay, so then just to add the centers, I use my big roll of foam tape. Okay, and then I'm gonna put that right. Oops, wait a minute. I'm missing the heart. Oh, look, I know I'm missing something. Okay. Oh, like something looks missing. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and put the heart on the cat. Let me make sure it's nice and straight. Okay, I think that looks good. Let me mash that down. Then I take another piece foam, and then I put this on the little flower that we just made. Okay. Alright. Yeah, now this is right. I was like, something was missing. Okay. I always like to press it down like this. Alright. Let me do the other one real quick so that we can have our reveal. Okay. So for this smaller one, I'm going to use, oh, it's so hard to pick up. Okay, I'm gonna put a little piece of foam on this strawberry. Okay, and we're gonna stick that right. And that looks good. Okay, and then put another piece of foam on the back of this one. Trying to see how I want it to look. think like this will be good too. Okay, let me go ahead and smash it down. And ta-da, done. Aren't they so cute? And now I want to show you how they all look together. So this is like a super simple way to make really cute and different shiny, sparkly embellishments. Because this is more like my style. I love like this super bright rainbow. Reminds me of like the 80s, 90s Lisa Frank, you know, pastel. Japanese style too, so I love this style. So I'm going to be showing you how to make these with my different stickers that I have in my collection, so you guys can look forward to that. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the video, and let me know in the comments which one is your favorite, and make sure to subscribe and like the video if you enjoyed it, and I look forward to hanging out with you guys again. Have a great day, guys. Bye bye.